Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to archive Instagram posts. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You always want your Instagram feed to show clearly that what you or your business is about. One of the best ways you can do that is by regularly curating your feed using the archive Instagram post feature. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to archive your Instagram posts. It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can choose on the post that you want to archive. For the example, I will choose this one. Now you can just tap on the three dots on the post on here. There is an option archive. You can just tap on that. Let's go back. So now here's the post has been hidden from your profile. So you can hide your post without deleting it by archive the post. It's so simple, right? So that is how to archive Instagram posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!